Your Android phone could be showing adult content without you even realizing it. Many people don't change any settings, but there's a simple way to block this and make your phone safer. With just a quick tweak, you can stop unwanted content from showing up. Let's set it up now. Method 1. First, open up the Settings app on your Android phone. Then tap on Connections. Scroll down. Tap More Connections Settings. Now tap Private DNS here. Select the private DNS provider host name. Scroll down a little bit. Here, type adultfilterdns.cleanbrowsing.org. Then tap Save. Method 2. Open up the Chrome browser on your phone. After that, tap on the three dots icon in the top right. Next, tap Settings. Then tap Privacy and Security. Scroll down. Tap Save Browsing. Select Enhanced Protection. Then go back again. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Use Secure DNS. Tap on Use Secure DNS. Now select the Choose Another Provider option. Now tap on the down arrow next to Custom. Select the Clean Browsing option here. Now you won't see any adult content in the Chrome browser. That's it for today. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button. Got any questions? Just drop them in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.